Right now, one of our state representatives is on his way back to Arizona after a battle with COVID-19 that nearly took his life. Lorenzo Sierra and his wife both hospitalized while visiting their daughter in Washington, D.C. ABC 15's John Genovese talking with the couple, just so grateful to be where they are today.
After weeks of waiting, moments not knowing what would happen next, State Representative Lorenzo Sierra finally boarding a plane back home. How are you feeling today right now?
I still have some numbness in my legs, but everything's feeling really good.
In mid-September, Sierra and his wife, Rhonda Cagle, traveled to D.C. to visit their daughter. Toward the end of the trip, the trio felt something was off. Cagle hospitalized for 10 hours after testing positive for COVID-19. Days later, Sierra ending up in the hospital as well.
I was sent to the ER and ended up getting intubated that night and then spent 4 days on a ventilator, unconscious.
What he didn't know at the time was the grim prognosis. Doctors giving Sierra a 1 in 3 chance of survival.
To not be able to be with Lorenzo was heartbreaking, quite frankly.
Not physically there, but the family doing everything they could, even if it meant through FaceTime.
Even when I was out, the medical professionals over at Johns Hopkins put the phone right up to me, and my daughter and my wife just kept saying, keep fighting, you can do this. And because they knew I was in there somewhere. And I'm sure that in some way I heard that, and that's what gave me the strength to pull through.
On October 14th, after more than a week, Sierra was finally released.
It was just a joyful moment, and we knew that we had dodged a bullet by the grace of God, and we were just so thankful.
And now they hope their story will serve a purpose, giving perspective to those still doubting what this virus can do.
It's time to think beyond ourselves. It's time to start thinking about others. This is one of those times where we need to step up as Americans who do the right thing every time we're faced with a challenge.
John Genovese, ABC 15, Arizona.